Do you need a tool that allows you to calculate your genetic predisposition to various conditions based on GWAS, genome-wide association study research data? Now a tool like that exists. I made it myself. So let me show you what it does. First, you need to upload your file, your MyHeritage or AncestryDNA or 23andMe file. If you have a 23andMe or Ancestry, you gotta click this, which uploads your file and converts it to a format. You can set the name of the converted file, but you need to convert it to MyHeritage first of all. If you have a MyHeritage file, you can just upload it here, and it's gonna go straight to the working directory. But if you don't have a MyHeritage file, you gotta convert it. So let's do that. Let's click on Convert to MyHeritage format. We're gonna find our file that we want to convert, and it's gonna be converting to MyHeritage format right now. Once the file has been uploaded, it's going to ask you to confirm the format of the file. This is an AncestryDNA format. So you type in AncestryDNA, and now it's going to actually convert it to MyHeritage. And now we see that on the left here, we see that our new file is created, and it's called converted.csv. The next step is we download GWAS datasets. So these are some GWAS genome-wide association study datasets that I've made that you can use with this tool, but you can actually make your own. And I'll show you how to do that later. So you go and you download GWAS datasets that I've made up prior. It's gonna go and download a bunch of stuff. So you see it's downloading a dataset for mental disorders. It's downloading a dataset for anxiety disorder. It's gonna download 28 different datasets. Major depressive disorder. It's just gonna go and there's gonna be a couple of minutes where it downloads different datasets. Okay, as you can see, it's finished downloading. All the 28 different datasets are now here, and you can see them on the left. So for the genome file, now we're gonna run our file through these datasets and see what predispositions we have. So our file is called converted.csv, I believe. So we gotta run this. This is the MyHeritage format file, right? So if you have a MyHeritage format, you can just upload it here. You click upload, and you can upload your MyHeritage format file straight to the working directory. But if your file is not in MyHeritage format, you gotta first convert it to MyHeritage using this. So our file is called converted.csv, and let's run it through something like, I don't know, heart disease, for example. Let's take heart disease.tsv. Let's put it here, and let's run our DNA file through this condition and see what predisposition there is. So we see about an average predisposition to that. And you can run it with any of the data sets that are here. There's 28 different data sets, 28 different conditions that you can run. And you can run, once again, an unlimited number of DNA files through this. But let me show you something else. You can actually make your own data sets for this project. So you can to this link, go to this link to GWAS Genome-Wide Association Study Catalog. You look up a condition, for example, let's look up atrial fibrillation, right? Atrial fibrillation. Let's look that up. We can download this condition. hmm Now we're gonna upload it here. Upload it to our um, upload it here. So we uploaded the dataset here. We're gonna rename that to atrial fibrillation. Right. Now we're gonna go and copy that, copy that, and put that here. And let's see what this person scores for atrial fibrillation. As you can see, very low score for atrial fibrillation. So anyway, you do have to normalize some of these. So if you import your own data set, if you make your own data set, you have to run a bunch of different people and try to find the average and then correct for that based on the average. But you can still compare like yourself versus some family member or yourself versus somebody else, and it's a pretty good tool to compare. I do suggest if you use the datasets that are here, if you use these 25, 28 datasets that were downloaded, never change the name because the name is a part of the metric for normalization. So if you change the name, it's not going to give you the score is going to be like weird. So don't change the name of the datasets. Keep them the same way as they are. And you can purchase this tool from my itch page for $20. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.